Hello folks, this is Aditya Najha from InspiredRise.com, and today we are going to talk about the LG XBoom ON2D speakers. So guys, let's first start with the unboxing process. Oops. On the inside, the first thing you will find is the speakers. You get the remote on the inside along with the documentation, the warranty card, along with two AAA cells for the remote, which houses a lot of controls for this. It weighs 6.5 kilograms and it's quite portable in terms of overall ease of access and use. For connectivity, you get aux, Bluetooth, supports multi-Bluetooth as well. There are 9 eco effects for karaoke mode, and there's a 16.5 centimeter woofer on the inside. They support DVD playback as well, MP3 playback as well, has support for Dolby Audio surround sound. At the back you get the antenna for the FM, 2 aux in left and right, 2 microphone holes, and there's also an HDMI out for TV connections. It's a 100-watt speaker, supports Bluetooth 4.2. Let's do a sound check. It has support for FM radio with 50 presets, and at the top you get a lot of controls along with the USB port. There's also a bass plus equalizer mode which allows you to get more bass on these. There's also vocal sound control, 9 eco levels for your sound. It also has a phone cradle wherein you can place your phone. The maximum volume here was so loud that out of fear of retribution from my neighbors, I never played it beyond 60% volume, and even that much was enough to shake up my whole floor. And I really love the audio quality on this one. And you can also install some other software side equalizers in order to get out more bass from the sound, and that was something that we tried with the Dolby Audio plugin. I'd rather no one hurt me. Redemption, I have waited for you. And needless to say, the results were great. So for a price of around 12,000 rupees, you get a speaker which has great audio, it's almost portable and has very good sound, and all of this is in a very nice connected package. So guys, this was it for this video. In case you like this one, don't forget to smash the thumbs up button and do subscribe to Inspired to Rise for more awesome tech videos like this one. And guys, no matter what you do, stay inspired to rise.